welcome to Daytime Live. It's Monday, and yes, Man Crush Monday always. I am joined by Dufton Shepherd. Look at him. Yes, looking all clean. Yes. Lashes.
I like
lashes?
Really?
Very nice. Very
That's where
nice
you're going?
lashes. Well, it's true.
Don't follow our producers.
true.
Here. Don't ever.
Don't follow our producers.
Don't.
Guys, so how are you guys doing at home? Don't forget that you can follow us on Instagram or Twitter, TVJ_Daytime Live, or you can stream us live on onespotmedia.com, or you can watch chat segments and buzz segments on YouTube. Speaking of buzz, social media has been all buzzing because of Rihanna and her new boyfriend. Have you been following the story?
I have been. A friend of mine.
I don't know why you're saying it so calm, you know. Because
A friend
earlier
of
you were
mine.
like, Rihanna.
No, I like Rihanna. I like
oh,
Rihanna. But I have a friend who I think he and Rihanna are in a relationship.
Oh, you mean the guy here?
Yeah, the TVJ cameraman.
Wait, name
Yeah, Taro.
That have like a relationship with Rihanna. He wishes.
But she doesn't know.
I'm sorry to tell you, Tyrone.
She doesn't know it.
Behind the camera.
And she posted like 6 pictures. It was like 6 or 8
She
pictures.
did. A few
Like 2 of them
pictures.
really hurt him.
2 of them.
2 of them really, like
Why did those
really,
2 really hurt him?
I don't know. I think she was in for him. She was in a compromising position in his mind.
In his mind. Okay, so
In
her
his mind,
new
his mind.
boo, Mina joining on a conversation, is with Hassan Jamil. Now, Hassan Jamil is the deputy president and vice chairman of the family business, which is touted to be the largest companies, one of the largest companies in the world.
Of course, Toyota.
He stands to inherit
At 1.5.
$1.5 billion.
What currency?
Just dollars.
It doesn't matter.
US dollars.
1.5.
Which is a lot, right?
I wonder if he has sisters, cousins, and friends. Like I'd want to be a cousin. Like they can adopt
What you
me.
try to adopt you?
Of
That's where
course.
you're going with it, adoption?
Of course.
I'm pretty sure that's not where you're going
I'm
with it.
very sure.
Anywho.
They can divide the 1.5 billion, divide it again.
Right.
I still will be good.
Okay.
I
All
still
right.
will be good.
I'm
And
not
then
sure.
Rihanna and her friends,
And her friends.
Kelly Rowland.
You are awful. Anywho, moving along, Dufton. Yes, tell me what's happening.
Last week, Wednesday, the 28th of June, the late arrest Captain Horace Burrell. He has done a lot for Jamaican football.
You like him?
I love what he did. I didn't know him personally, but I love what he did for Jamaican football. Of course, he was at the head of the federation when we went to the World Cup in '98.
Yeah.
You know, so all kudos to him.
But
Yeah.
his Thanksgiving service though, it was lit. I mean,
Everybody
Everybody
Their
was there.
Excellencies,
Right?
Their Excellencies, the most honorable
The most
Patrick
honorable.
Allen
Yes.
and Lady Allen were there.
Uh-huh.
The most honorable.
I love your most honorables. Yes,
Yeah,
go ahead.
you have to give them a proper title, you know.
That's
The
true.
most honorable
I
Andrew
see that. I
Holness.
see that.
He was the leader of opposition. Peter Phillips was there. Porsha Simpson Miller,
Yes.
the former prime minister, was also there.
It was well
So
attended.
everybody was there. I mean,
Right.
you have to give kudos to persons who have done stuff for 876 or Island of Jamaica.
876 that we're calling it.
876, of course, or area
876.
code.
All right. I'll take it. I'm here for it.
It's 876.
I'm here
it's,
for
it's,
it.
It's really, really, really good. So
Okay.
the Thanksgiving service was well attended. People came out and showed
So
their love
what
and support.
about the service that was held to say goodbye to the Honourable? We were talking about that earlier. Of course, it's Simpson Miller. What about that?
That was great too. She's on her way out. in
How
a
do you feel
different
about
format.
that? Are you pro?
She did her time.
Right.
She did her time, and she felt it was time for her to move along and let some younger persons.
Yeah, and I respect that though, because I think a lot of people don't know when to step down. When it's like time, sometimes I think you get past the age of knowing, of being relevant, in the social context. So I think it's good that she's aware that, I mean, no disrespect, but maybe it's time to let some other
I've always heard that
persons-
you're never ready until you're ready.
What, to leave?
Yeah, maybe persons wanted her to leave. Maybe persons
Right.
were like she's maybe past her time.
Right.
But she didn't leave until she was ready to leave.
But
So-
one thing we have to say about Porsha, though, the Honourable Porsha Simpson Miller, is that she always seemed to be the people's prime minister. You know what I'm saying? It seemed that the people.
Yes,
loved
that
her,
was
particularly in
that was her strength.
Yeah.
She believed that she knew what the Jamaican people wanted, and she from grassroots.
right.
She was just a woman, just a regular woman.
Yeah.
She didn't come from a powerful family, an influential family. She didn't have a
Yeah.
name,
Yeah.
and she worked her way up the ranks until she Prime Minister of Jamaica.
See, while I'm here, I'm gonna a little secret. My mother, Porsha Simpson Miller, used to hang out young. She used to babysit Bob Marley back in the day.
Did you go Bob Marley?
Bob Marley.
No,
back
Bob,
in the day. Oh, Bob Marley, yeah. So I'm really proud of what she's done, and I love that. It shows that anything is possible.
Auntie Porsha to you?
It's Auntie Porsha, darling, Auntie Porsha, the Honorable Auntie Porsha. How we're doing? Now, speaking of...
not everybody allowed former Prime Minister to leave gracefully.
Not everybody like whom? Like whom are you referring?
Songwriter, songbird.
The songbird?
Established artist, beautiful artist.
Right, you love her, we know.
Tanya Stevens had some...
choice words. For the people listening, let me just say, hearing people lament Porsha's departure is like seeing people congratulate my rapist for being a good man. She isn't a good person. Calling her unqualified and an embarrassing representation who wasn't even of average intelligence as per her public displays. She was also an awful, apathetic human who perfected the art of pandering to the hypocrisy of Jamaicans. I will not miss her. Good riddance.
I read the quote. That
was a mic drop, by the way.
I read her statement and I wanted it to end.
You wanted it to end?
I wanted it to
Why?
end. No matter what your personal feelings are about Porsha Simpson Miller, she did her time.
Yeah.
And she's leaving.
Right.
Not because she's forced out, but she's leaving on her own accord.
So it's kind of distasteful.
Leave her.
That's what you're thinking.
Yes, leave her to go.
Right.
If you didn't like her or you didn't like what she did, say nothing. My mom always told me that if you don't have anything good to say, just not say nothing at all.
But doctor, you seem kind of calm because earlier you were enraged about the whole thing. Now you're like, I believe
because
that.
I feel like she should just act like a speeding car on the highway when a policeman steps out. Just stop. Just stop.
Okay.
Stop and you never.
Do you think she was inappropriate though?
It was inappropriate, distasteful, out of order. I mean, that's my opinion. All of that, she never had to.
Yeah, it's like going to somebody's funeral and being like, "We never did like you anyway."
You don't have to. Okay, fine. She's on her way out. Okay, good. I mean, if you don't get her number, call her, send her a personal message. That's not something for you to say on the back of this person, whether you like it or not. She has done. She has done what she had to do.
I hear you.
For Jamaica.
So don't make Tanya Stevens.
Tanya Stevens, of course.
Just say, how was your weekend though? What's up? What you doing?
It's
just joking. Daytime life.
I'll get you back for that.
I'll get you back for that one.
Yes.